Do you feel like your days are always full, but your creativity keeps getting pushed to the bottom of the list? Today, let's change that. In just 15 minutes, we are painting these beautiful loose watercolor poppies and finishing them off with a few expressive pen lines and doodles. It's quick, it's joyful, and it's your moment to slow down and reconnect with yourself. No stress, just art and a little play. Let's begin. We are starting with some delicious reds. On my palette, I'm using Cadmium red light and I'm mixing a little Carmine for depth and variation. This will give our poppies that rich, vibrant feel. With a big mop brush, let's paint the basic shape of our first poppy. Let your brush move freely. These petals can be floppy, open, curved, or layered. We are not chasing realism, we are creating a gesture, a feeling. While these petals are still wet, take a small round brush, dip into cadmium yellow and dot it in the center. Let the colors mingle naturally. Next, switch to a small brush and mix green with cadmium yellow to create a soft, warm green. Paint the stems with gentle strokes, maybe a little wavy, as poppy stems are never stiff. Let each stem find its own path on the page. Now we will add some leaves. Using the same small brush, press and pull in one stroke to create that organic leaf shape. Play with your green mix, some brighter with more yellow and some deeper with a hint of blue or carmine. Let the color variation create rhythm and movement. Below the flowers, let's add a poppy bud. It can be small and round with a slighter bend in the stem. Then, while everything's still damp or just starting to dry, take a slighter, thicker mix of your red and dab a few spots on the petals. This gives dimension and vibrancy to your poppies without needing another full layer. Once the first layer is dry, it's time to add these pen details. Using a fountain pen or fine liner, gently outline the poppy petals. Let your lines be light, relaxed, even a little imperfect. That's where the charm is. Add pattern lines, dots, loops, make it your own style. And don't stop at the petals. Your leaves love a little attention too. Add vein lines or trace their shape loosely. These ink lines bring such a beautiful contrast to the soft watercolor base. Now the full part, get creative with your pen. And just like that, you've painted a bold, joyful bunch of poppies in under 15 minutes. You made space for beauty even in the middle of a busy day. Art doesn't have to be big or perfect to be meaningful. Sometimes it just takes one brush strokes and one breath to feel more like yourself again. If this creative pause brought you joy, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. What's your favorite flower to paint? And would you like to see more ink and watercolor combos? Don't forget to subscribe for more 15 minutes floral escapes. Thanks for painting with me today. I will see you in the next one.